Today, a strong earthquake occurred in the city of Naples, Italy. The epicenter of the earthquake was located near the city. Rescue and incident prevention services quickly arrived at the scene of the natural disaster and began assessing the damage.
Sì, io sono vicino alla piazza, ho spostato la piattaforma, Francesco mi ha detto che devo aspettare perché...
City authorities have already begun to provide assistance to the victims and investigate the consequences of the natural disaster. The disaster caused significant damage to buildings and work. Emergency services communicate with citizens through local media. The public raises funds and provide assistance to those affected by the earthquake in Naples.